What is up, everybody? If you that don't know me, my name is Chris, aka Mr. Grow It, and today I've got a par test video for you. This is the California Lightworks SolarSystem 1100 LED grow light. It has a coverage area of 4 foot by 4 foot, and the tent I am taking measurements in is 4 foot by 4 foot. This LED grow light is compatible with the controller. I do not have the controller, so the measurements I take will just be from plugging in the light without adjusting the spectrum at all. I actually ran this grow light for a couple grows, and those grows are actually documented on my YouTube channel. So I've had a couple grow series using this light. So if you want to see how those plants turned out, feel free to look back at those videos. I'll take measurements at 18 inches, 24 inches, and then 36 inches. I'm using the Apogee MQ500 quantum sensor. This takes par measurements in ppfd. And I'm just going to be doing the measurements in the video. I'm not going to be talking about any of the features or anything like that. So if you want to learn more about this LED grow light, I will link it in the description section below. Alright, let's get into the measurements. Just like the other videos, I won't talk over it. I'll just let the measurements do the talking.